Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Locate the service that is causing issues. Let's say your network adapter is the culprit. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Wait for your drivers to be updated. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on Search for updates. Now wait for the updates to be installed. If that didn't work, right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Press Next. Now close the window and restart. If that didn't work, first open your Start menu and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open System and Security. Open Security and Maintenance. Open Recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Read the warning message and then press Yes. Wait for your PC to be restored. Now your PC should be restored. Now press close.